Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the turbine in your Dyson HS hairdryer. This repair can significantly improve the performance of your device, and will ensure you have all the necessary information to do it correctly. Tools required *. 1. Precision screwdriver set. 2. Small flathead screwdriver. 3. Plastic spudger. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Compressed air, optional. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, make sure your Dyson HS is unplugged. Gather all your tools to ensure a smooth process. If you find yourself unprepared or lacking tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to help you with this repair, so you won't have to worry about any technicalities. Step 2. Disassembling the hairdryer. Using your precision screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the dryer. Make sure to keep track of these screws. A magnetic tray can be useful. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the casing. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Step 3. Accessing the turbine. With the casing removed, locate the turbine. This component is usually situated near the motor. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. Take your time here. If you're unsure, a professional diagnosis without obligation can be a great option to consider. Step 4. Cleaning internal parts. Before replacing the turbine, take a moment to clean the internal parts of the hairdryer. Use a soft cloth to wipe down surfaces and, if you have it, compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. Keeping these areas clean will improve airflow and efficiency in your device. Step 5. Removing the old turbine. Now, carefully unscrew the turbine from its housing. It may require a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding parts. Once it's free, compare it to your new turbine to ensure a proper fit. Step 6. Installing the new turbine. Place the new turbine into the housing, ensuring it sits correctly. Reattach any wires you previously disconnected. Secure it in place with screws, tightening them carefully but not too much to avoid stripping. Step 7. Reassembling the hairdryer. With the new turbine installed, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Place the casing back on and insert the screws. Make sure everything is tightly secured to avoid any loose components during use. Step 8. Testing the repair. Once fully assembled, plug in your Dyson HS and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that airflow is strong and consistent. If you run into any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair to help you manage any unexpected costs. Following these steps should have your Dyson HS hairdryer running like new again. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. No calls, no travel, just a simple, effective solution to your appliance needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.